Here are 5 free tools that you can use to build a portfolio website in less than an hour. So, if you are trying to get a remote job or start freelancing in the creative space, you'll need a portfolio that you can showcase to potential employers or potential clients. And the best way to show your work is not through a downloadable PDF or a Google Drive. It's through a portfolio website. You want your portfolio to always remain up to date. Even if you sent it to a client 5 years ago, you shouldn't have to send them a new PDF each time you update your portfolio. So what you need to do is create a portfolio website. That way, whatever update you make to your portfolio will be seen by anyone who has the link, even if you send the link to them 50 years ago. Now, you might not know how to set one up, and that's why I'm here. In a minute, I'm going to show you 5 absolutely free tools that you can use to build your portfolio website very quickly without any expertise. But first, if you're new here, I'd like to welcome you to the channel. Hi, I'm Vicky Johnson, and I'm sharing my journey making a living on the internet through remote working and freelancing, and very soon, passive income. So if you're interested in working remotely or freelancing, then subscribe to the channel. I'm pretty sure you'll find the tips that I share helpful. You also want to hit that notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Alright, let's get into it. I'm going to link all of the tools and websites that I mentioned in the description below so that you can easily check them out. So number 1 on my list is Card. Card is a free landing page builder that you can use to build a one-page website. So that website can be a portfolio, a squeeze page, or whatever you need. Now, the reason this is number 1 on my list is because absolutely anybody can use Card. So if you go to card.io, CARRD.io, and I'll link it in the description below, you can create a free account and you'll be welcomed by dozens of free, beautiful templates that you can use to build your own portfolio and showcase your work to a client. After setting up your free portfolio in Card, you can also publish to a free domain and share your work with clients very easily. I used Card to set up my first ever portfolio. No, actually, I'm wrong. I used a tool called Crevado, but then I woke up one morning and realized that my portfolio was offline. So I went in search of a better alternative and I came across Card. And I actually got feedback from one of the clients that I sent it to that my portfolio was looking super professional and they were impressed. Little did they know that all I did was slap on a template, change the fonts and colors, images and text, and publish. So if you're looking for a very easy to use tool that you can use to build a one-page portfolio for yourself, then Card is your first and final stop. And then the second tool that I recommend for building a free portfolio is Canva. And this is perfect for social media managers and virtual assistants. Because as a virtual assistant or social media manager, your clients already expect you to be familiar with tools like Canva. So if your portfolio is built using a tool that they expect you to be proficient in, I think that's a plus. Now, there are 2 ways that you can build your portfolio using Canva. You can either create a presentation and then make a public view link for that presentation and then send the link to your clients or include it in your applications to jobs. Or you can actually create a Canva website, and that's super easy to do because just like Card, Canva offers templates, but even better, they have them in their thousands. So you have a lot of options to choose from. All you need to do is grab a presentation template or a website template on Canva and customize it to suit your personal brand. It's very quick, easy, and free. So I noticed that a lot of freelancers create a portfolio in Canva or any other design tool and then export it as a PDF and send that PDF to a potential client. Not a very good idea, and here's why. You want your portfolio to remain ever fresh. And so if you send your portfolio in PDF format and in the next few months you've made a lot of updates to it, whoever you sent it to a couple months back will still have that old version. So what you want to do is have a website portfolio or at least a link to like a presentation which you can update. So that's why website portfolio tops PDF or any other format that people send portfolios in for strange reasons that I don't understand. Okay, next is Wix. Wix is a website builder that offers a free plan which you can use to build a portfolio. I'll recommend Wix as a portfolio builder to graphic designers, photographers, and freelancers who do visual work. And the reason is because you can build a very sleek website that showcases your visual work in style using Wix. And you can have multiple pages, which is not the same with Card, and a bit tricky with Canva. So yeah, if you do a lot of visual work, then I recommend that you go with Wix, or number 4, which is Squarespace. Squarespace is also another website builder which is very popular and offers a free plan that has everything that you need to build a startup portfolio. Okay, and both Wix and Squarespace offer templates, so it makes it a lot easier and faster for you to build your portfolio. And then number 5 is Webflow. I recommend that you use Webflow for your portfolio if you are a no-code web developer, a front-end developer, or you do work that's a mixture of visual and technical work. Webflow allows you to build a stunning portfolio website using a drag and drop feature. much like Wix and Squarespace, with the only difference being that Webflow offers semantic code. Webflow websites are gorgeous. And so if you're a web designer, you might want to leverage this tool to showcase your work in a way that stands out. And if you just visit the website, webflow.com, you'll see what I mean. Okay, so that's 5, but I'm going to give 2 bonus tools. One is GitHub Pages. GitHub Pages lets you host your coded websites for free. So if you're just starting out with something like software engineering or front-end development, then this might be a good option for you. So instead of using a drag and drop builder to build your portfolio website, you can actually code it and then host it on GitHub Pages. And then the second bonus is Notion. I can't believe I forgot to mention Notion earlier. This is a completely free tool which I use to manage my entire freelance business. So I have my CRM, my sales pipeline, projects management, all of it inside of Notion. And the beautiful thing about it is that you can build almost any system that you want inside of Notion. So you can actually use it to build a portfolio, and you can share pages publicly and to the web inside of Notion. I would recommend Notion if you're not very design savvy and you don't want to bother working with the templates. Literally, all you have to do is create a free Notion account, create a page, slap on each of your projects as like images or text or whatever format they are in, and share that page to your potential client or employer. There are also readily available templates that you can start with, so you don't have to do much work. I'll put in the description a link to a free Notion portfolio template that you can duplicate and use to showcase your work. So let me know which of these tools you want me to shed more light on or make a video on. And if you have no idea how to even start getting a remote job or freelance jobs, then watch this video to discover websites where you can find remote and freelance jobs. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.